Well, did you try them? Did you look at page 496? 1 through 12? It was 196 and 197, actually. 1 through 12? I think I'm just going to write the answers here, okay? So let's see. And then you guys see if you got them right. All right. Number 1, what is infinity plus 5 over infinity? That one looks like a third grader wrote that one. That's just silly. Well, that's 1. Number 2, what is infinity squared plus 1 over infinity squared? Well, that's 1. Number 3, what is, whoa, 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 whoa. 1 plus -1 to the infinity. What? Over infinity. What? Oh my goodness. Okay. -1 to the infinity is just going to be 1. Okay. And then we're going to divide by infinity. So 1 divided by anything is 1. 1 divided by infinity. How are we gonna, what are we gonna, what? How do we, I can't, I don't know if I can do that one, can I? What is -1 to the infinity? Well, that would be like 1 to the, 1,000th. And you're like, oh, Mr. Blanchard, isn't it -1 to the 1,000th? Fine. -1 to the 1,000th, 100,000th. -1 to the, yeah, it's just 1. It depends on how many, I mean, come on. So this would be 1 plus 1 over infinity. Okay. Oh, okay. So then that means that this is 1 plus, so what's 1 divided by a very large number? What's 1 divided by, well, it's really doggone close to 0. Oh, there we go. That's why that one's 1. That's just goofy. Number 4. What's 4 infinities minus 3 over 2 infinities plus 1? Well, it's just got to be 2, right? Yeah, the 3 and the 1 don't matter. Number 5. What's 3 infinity squared plus 5 infinity all over 8 infinity squared? Well, this guy, even though, you're thinking infinity is really big, this guy doesn't matter. These cancel out. It's 3/8. Number 6. What's, I can't even read that number. I don't have my glasses on again. 2 infinity to the 4th over 6 infinity to the 5th plus 7. So it's really, what is like 2 divided by 6 infinity? Like, really, that's what it is. Right? Because, yeah, they cancel out. So that answer, 2 divided by a huge number, is 0. Number 7. What's the tangent of 1 divided by infinity? In other words, what is the tangent of 0? Punch it in your calculator. Hey, it's 0. Number 8. What is the secant of 1 over infinity. In other words, what is the secant of 0? Well, I don't know. So I would have to do what's 1 over the cosine of 0. Oh, okay. Okay. What's the cosine of 0? It's 1. So it's 1 over 1, which is 1. Huh, how about that? Number 9. What is the square root of infinity? Ooh, that's a good question. Over infinity plus 1. Well, this is really infinity to the half power. That's so bad. I don't practice ever writing the infinity symbol. All over basically infinity. So this guy is bigger on the bottom, so it's like 1 divided by infinity to the half power, which is going to be a really small number. We're going to call it 0. It's going to get really, really close to 0. Because did I explain that? Limit as n approaches infinity. You're going to plug in infinity, but what it means is what happened when n gets super large? That's all this means. When n approaches, that arrow means when n approaches infinity. Okay. So number 10 says, what's the limit as n approaches infinity of 5n to the 2/3 minus 8n? That's weird. All over 6n. Okay, so this one's a little more weird, right? This is the smaller power, n to the 2/3. So this guy just goes bye-bye. So it's really what's negative 8n over 6n, but the n's are infinities, so that would be negative 4/3. At least that one was a little more challenging. Get rid of the smaller power. Number 11. What's log of infinity plus 1 over infinity? Well, I don't know. So that would really just be what is log 1. You could even punch that into your calculator. 10 to what power is 1? Oh, it's 0. We did that problem yesterday. And number 12. Hey, what's the log of 10 to the 1 over infinity? Am I reading that right? Okay, so in other words, what is the log? Am I reading that right? Yeah, I think I am. My glasses. I left them. It's like on Scooby-Doo. Where are my glasses? All right, so that would be 10 to the 0. So that would be what is the log of 1? And didn't we just do that one? Well, how about that? It's the same answer. Huh. There we are. 8.5 minutes, almost 9 minutes later. Hey, if you didn't watch the senior track video, watch it. I'm going to post it here. You're going to cry, but watch it anyway. I say to you, good day.